At Clarity, we believe that the importance of maintaining your windows runs deeper than just streak-free glass. It's seeing clearly into the world around us. We understand the hard work and dedication it takes to truly see the world with a clear mind. That's why we work so hard to make your windows shine. Clarity is the encouragement for you to invest in yourself and your own well-being. But Clarity is not a solo journey. It's a shared experience. Our team at Clarity is not just a window washing company. We're part of your community, dedicated to helping you achieve your home life with your family, your friends, and other loved ones to the fullest. Clarity will wash away the dirt and grime that life can sometimes throw at us, leaving behind a fresh perspective, a renewed spirit. Because when you look through a clean window, the world opens up before you. Clarity Windows. Clear life begins with clean windows.